We're doing an unboxing of the SDXC memory card case. Okay, this is the SDXC memory card case. As you can see, it has some sort of warranty here. Warranty registration. Okay. And if you scan that barcode, you can actually register your warranty. Okay, open this right from the bottom here. And we got this off of Amazon.com. This memory card case has 36 memory slots holding 24 micro SDs plus 12 SDs. We purchased this for $9.99, basically $10, and you can keep your micro card safe. And it has a secure latch here. And at that point, it opens up. And this is a cushion type holding part. This is a custom fit molded sponge cushion. It's nice and it's not soft. It's not really hard either. And if you latch it, snaps. There's the unboxing of the SDXC memory card case. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.